In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a wedding budget in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, head to the spending section from the left side menu. Once the spending dashboard opens, click on Breakdown and Budget to access your budgeting tools. At the top of this page, select the Budget tab so you can manage all of your monthly and custom budget categories. Next, click on Edit Budget to make changes. Scroll all the way down until you find the Add Custom Category option, then click on it. You will now need to create a new category specifically for your wedding expenses. Type in Wedding as the category name. Then choose any color and icon you want so it is easy to identify later. After that, click Create Category to save it. Once your wedding category has been added, click the plus button on the page and choose Set a Budget. Select the wedding category you just created, then enter the total amount you want to allocate for wedding spending. This can include venue costs, outfits, decorations, catering, or any related expenses. After entering your desired budget amount, click Save. Your wedding budget is now active, and Origin will start tracking spending under that category automatically. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.